Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your day 1 fire weather outlook. They can elevate fire weather area today that encompasses Parky, Colorado, northeastern Utah, mostly Wyoming, much Montana, northwestern Nebraska, western South Dakota, and western North Dakota for the elevated fire risk. In synopsis, upper-level region will continue to expand across the western Q and U.S. as an upper low traverses the Canadian prairies, permitting strong northwesterly flow to overspread the northern plains. Ahead of an approaching cold front, daytime high temperatures will reach 90 degrees plus Fahrenheit as relative humidity values quickly decline to less than 20%, and west northwesterly winds increase to 15 to 20 miles per hour. The aforementioned cold front will enter eastern Montana between 18 to 00Z, translating southward through the evening. As front passes, winds will shift to broadly northerly at 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusts over 30 miles per hour for a few hours, while relative humidity increases overnight. Elevated highlights have been maintained across portions of the Colorado Plateau into the northern plains, where ERCs will range from the 80th to 90th percentile, and NDVI portrays a significant 30-day decrease in live green vegetation. Isolated mixed wet and dry thunderstorms are possible in portions of far southern Nevada and Utah and northwest Arizona, but uncertainty remains regarding the northward progression of mid-level moisture. However, given sufficient instability in a dry subcloud layer, a landing ignition cannot be ruled out with any storm that manages to develop. Additionally, prolonged above normal temperatures, a dry boundary layer, and briefly breezy winds may encourage locally elevated fire conditions to emerge across the California valleys and adjacent higher terrain where widespread ERCs exceed the 90th percentile. So, that's your day 1 fire weather outlook. Stay safe and vigilant in these areas today. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because fires can start and spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas today. All it takes is one little spark for a fire to start and spread quickly. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Even if they're not lit. Because 1, that's littering, which is illegal and unsafe and can result in legal trouble should you get caught. And 2, all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start and spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before throwing it away. So, stay safe and vigilant in these areas today, and I will have my day 1 severe weather outlook very soon. Take care.